Hi Blazers, in this video tutorial we're going to show you how to change or turn your Google Chrome browser on your Windows desktop into a mobile phone browser. This comes in handy for things like when you want to do digital signing for forms and they send you a link and you've got to do it on a mobile but you want to do it on your computer. This is how you can trick your browser to become a mobile browser and you can do your digital signatures this way. So there are two ways to do this. The first way is easy. All you need to do is press F12 on your keyboard and you get something like this. You can see it instantly changes it across to that. Now if it hasn't, what you need to do is click this. That'll toggle it back to normal. You can click that again and it goes back to the mobile device version. Now the other thing is you can just ignore this stuff on the right. It's not necessary. And you just click it to go back. And then what you can do, you can close it by pressing the X. The other thing to do, instead of wanting to press the F12, you can go to the three dots and click on More Tools. And then click on Developer Tools. And the same thing will pop up, and again all you need to do is press the little icon here that looks like a desktop computer and a mobile phone, and it will switch to the mobile phone version. That's all you need to do, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.